Hello friends, today we are going to explore the flea shopping market here in Dubai. Along with the shopping market, we will also explore the boat ride options here. So now we are at Bar Dubai. This area is also known as Dubai Grand Souk, Bar Dubai Souk, Old Souk or Textile Souk. So you can search this area by any of these names on Google Maps. So be with me in this journey till the end and let's explore the shopping and marine ride together. This area is located near the Green Line Metro, beside the waterfront canal. You can come here from Al Gubeba Metro Station or from Sharab Diji Metro Station. While walking around this area, we can see these tiny seaside restaurants, which are famous for hookah, smoke and for good food. While passing from these restaurants, we can see the small alley and the tiny restaurants are decorated so beautifully. Here there are many options of shopping and marine ferry. In marine ferry you can choose both long ferry or short Abra ride. There are different routes of these rides named as FR, CR or BM, and you can choose a path as per your requirement. You will get clear map of this path on official site of RTA. Hello friends, we are going to do the exciting thing today, the boat ride in just 1 dirham. We will tell you the detail later in the video, but before that let's come for the ride. As we wanted to walk around the souk area only, we chose the short Abra ride from Al Gubeba to Dubai Old Souk. For Abra ride, there is no need to buy or book a prior ticket. You can directly go to the port. The RTA person will guide you how and in which boat you can step in. After getting onto the boat, we have to pay 1 dirham to boat sailor. And that's it. It's the easiest way to go for this boat ride. But if you want to go for a long ride, that means from Al Gubeba to Marina or to the Blue Waters, then you have to buy tickets from ticket counter or from RTA website, which will cost you between 25 to 75 dirhams. And here we are on our beautiful marine ride. It was really a great experience being on board. It was an open boat. We can see the beautiful city view or a seaside view from the boat. This is Dera Old Souk station. We spent some time here at this stop and then moved for our return journey towards the Al Gubeba station. Once again through this amazing boat ride. So this Abra is basically a small boat which carries up to 15 to 16 passengers at a time, and it travels to the nearby stop through the canal. So guys, we are going back to our previous stop and then we'll go towards the shopping market. So be with me for a while and I'll take you straight to the market. And here we are at the Grand Souk by Dubai. Be it a resident or visitor, we cannot overlook this waterfront souk in Old Dubai. When you go in this market, be ready to use all of your bargaining skills. And don't forget to carry the change. This souk has large number of small stores who sells a wide range of products such as clothes, jewelry, crockeries, spices and much more. Most of the stores here sell clothes and textiles. In clothes, you will find UAE national clothes as well as Indian, Afghani and Pakistani traditional clothes. There are many spices and dinnerware stores are also available. When we say dinnerware, that means clay or earthenware bowls of various size and coasters, and the plates with beautiful colorful designs on it. Here you will be able to buy different Dubai souvenirs such as sand art glass bottles, bags, magnets, perfumes and a lot more. This is a tiny and very creative camel sculpture. There are many such things which will take your attention in no time. As you walk through, you will be called in by several shopkeepers. But don't be hesitant to politely decline in case you are not interested. Few things starts here at just 10 to 20 dirhams, but you can bargain and bring the rate to even low. You could get colorful scarves, traditional footwear and the dinner table showpiece from the stores in the souk. Get a pretty souvenir of Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, glass art or sand art, as they look extremely beautiful on shelves. The shopkeepers here are very friendly. They will not mind even if you walk off without buying. Even they are more than happy to open a packed item for you to help you find the correct ones, which you may or may not end up buying it. Hey guys, we are in Amjad Khan gift shop. This shop has unique stones and jewelry. So let's go inside and check it out.
Different on the stone,
Different stones. Okay.
This one, lapis lazuli.
Okay.
This one's so expensive stone.
Okay. These are from Dubai only?
The Dubai only sandstone from Dubai this one.
Okay. These are from Dubai.
This from Dubai.
Sandstone.
And another is also from Afghanistan.
Okay. These are from
This sandstone from Afghanistan.
Okay. You made this
Thailand.
Thailand?
Okay. The stone is from Afghanistan and making in Thailand.
Okay, then you are importing it.
Yeah. And this one old fashioned jewelry.
Old fashioned.
Yeah, this from Afghanistan. It's also from Afghanistan.
Okay. And you are from?
Me from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Alright.
Ultra Balochistan. This It's Afghani jewelry.
Afghan jewelry.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
Dates jewelry.
And what about this?
This one Kanjura.
What's its price?
This price 25 dirham.
25 dirham.
Mr. Khan is really generous person. He guided us about all the stones and jewelry. All these different things were from different countries.
So guys, I got this Afghani bracelet from Mr. Khalid. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
So guys, if you also want to buy unique things for your home or as a gift, then do visit this shop. You will get unique stuff at discounted price. You go inside any shop, you will come out of the shop with satisfaction and happiness. Shopkeepers here are very humble and ready to serve you with the best thing at best price. That's why this place is always crowded. You'll find shopkeepers in the souk are from different parts of the world, and most of them can speak more than 3 languages. This glorious lantern is another tempting thing which you will feel like to buy. There is a separate lane for special textile shops. If you are looking for some traditional and hand-woven fabrics, then this is the correct place for you. Here you will get to experience charm of city's historic shopping destination. Let's move forward to the next. There are many big shops of dry fruits, chocolates, clothes, handbags and electronics. So if you want to buy the things from proper shops with receipt and guarantee, then you can go into these shops. This is all about the Grand Souk in Dubai. The word souk means market. I think this is the best place to go for amazing and cheapest shopping. Hope this video will be helpful for your shopping plan in Dubai. Thank you so much for watching and keep traveling with Bhramantik.